Hi sweeties, happy pumpkin spice season. I've got a great recipe for you, simple, delicious. These are pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls made with puff pastry, so delicious. I used puff pastry and pumpkin butter, which I made homemade pumpkin butter, but you can use store-bought to make it even simpler. Let's take a look at these. They are flaky, delicious. It's got that pumpkin butter on there. Then drizzle it with some homemade creamy vanilla glaze. These are perfect for afternoon tea. Whew. The recipe will be in the description box. Let's get into it. We'll start with a can of pumpkin puree. Add that to a pot with some apple juice or water if you don't want any apple flavor. It's not a strong flavor, but you need a little liquid so we can simmer this on down. Some brown sugar or raw turbinado sugar would be great too. Add a pinch of salt, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, but no seeds, please. And then add in your pumpkin pie spice. I made my own with cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, and ginger. I left the cloves out because I just didn't want it. Stir it up well and simmer it on medium-low heat. Stir it. Look at that. It gets nice and thick. You want to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom, so stir it frequently and let it simmer down. Just about 20 minutes should do. When it starts getting those real big bubbles in it, that's when you know it's time to shut it off. Let it cool and put it in the refrigerator. You can make this a few days in advance. I'm using store-bought puff pastry and homemade pumpkin butter. And I added my own blend of pumpkin pie spice to it. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Now we'll just take this offset spatula and spread pumpkin butter on the puff pastry. Then you just roll it up. And cut it into 3 pieces. I like to use a baking cup to make cleanup easy. Just pop that in and into the baking cup. Let's pop those in the oven and get them baked up. While our pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls are baking, let's make our glaze. So we've got a powdered sugar in a bowl, and we're going to add some heavy cream. You can add milk if you like, and a little bit of vanilla, and just whisk it around until it's smooth. If you like your icing to be thinner, add just a little more cream or milk. Oof. Pull them out of the oven and they are golden brown, hot, and almost ready to eat. The little wrappers make it easier to pull them out of the muffin tin. They are just about ready to eat. Just drizzle a little bit of that sweet vanilla glaze on there, and you're good to go. That's it, sweeties. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Please watch the rest of the videos in the playlist. Hit the thumbs up. Leave us a nice comment, and have a delicious day.